Ever get confused between the Senedd and the Welsh Government? You're not alone. They might sound similar, but they do completely different jobs. Think of it like this. The Senedd, the Welsh Parliament, is where decisions get debated and laws are made. It's made up of elected members of the Senedd, MSs, who represent people from across Wales. Their job is to question, challenge and keep an eye on what the Welsh Government is doing. The Welsh Government, on the other hand, makes most of the day-to-day decisions on how Wales is run. It's led by the First Minister of Wales, the leader of the Welsh Government. They answer questions in the Senedd, set policies and represent Wales in official capacities. The First Minister appoints Cabinet Secretaries or Ministers who each look after specific policy areas like health, education and transport. They're scrutinised by the Senedd and hold a lot of responsibility. So, the Welsh Government puts rules into action and the Senedd makes and checks the rules to hold them to account. So when you hear the Senedd and the Welsh Government, remember, one debates and sets laws and the other delivers on them. Stay tuned for part 7, how to pass a law in Wales.